Hey friends, hello all. Today I'm going to explain the basics about price actions and how to pick a stock for a swing trade and how to enter and exit and what are the targets. So these are the topics we are going to cover. So first thing we are going to talk about is the basics of candles. Second, we'll understand how the reversal will be shown in the price actions, or how can we capture the price action using these candle patterns and find out the momentum. Third one, how to find a bullish stock. Fourth one, how to enter, where to exit, how to exit, what are the target, what are the stop loss. So these four topics we are going to discuss. Let's get into that. This is Sundar and you are watching Mindful Finance. So if you are aware of this thing, you can skip this particular part and you can jump to the next section. But this is a basic to understand the candle patterns. Okay. Hope you know about how these candles are formed and what is the meaning of candle. I don't want to get in that kind of a very detailed level of basics. We'll just start with the candle patterns. Okay. So this is the red one is the bearish candle and the green one is bullish candle. Whenever a green candle, this is called inside candle. Whenever a green candle forms like this is called inside candle, and if you merge these two candle, you will see the candle like this. This is a hammer. Okay. Similarly, you see there's a green candle and there's an inside candles are red, and when you merge this thing, you will find a inverted hammer. This is called hanging man. When a trend is in downwards, you see multiple red candles form like this, and then there is a hammer. This is a reversal sign for a bullish, from the bearish to bullish. You have to find this hammer at the bottom, at the downward trend. Then you can wait for the reversal. Similarly, when the trend is upward and you find a inverted hammer like this, that means the trend is going to be bearish. This is very basic. Okay. Same thing, if you find this pattern at the bottom of the downtrend, that means that's going to be a reversal to bullish. Similarly, if you find this kind of a pattern in the top, then you have to cautious. Maybe there's going to be a bearish reversal. The third one is engulfing pattern, which is you have a red candle like this. On the top, next candle will be like a big green candle. So this is another sign for a reversal for the bullish sign. So that means you are going to get a very big green candle like this. Similarly, a green candle at the top and there's a engulfing candle formed at the top of the trend, then there's going to be a reversal in the bearish side. So this is very basic. Hope you got the idea of, there are a lot of candles are there, but this is what the main candles you have to check. See, we need to be very simple. If you're a trader, just don't get into more trouble. Just limited knowledge, limited ideas, one strategy, that is enough for you. Don't just try to go with lot of strategies. Then what happens is you will not follow a systematic trading. You need to be a systematic trader. That means follow one pattern, one style, get expert in that particular strategy and start to gain knowledge about that particular pattern. This is what you have to do. So right now, what are the candles I have shown? Idea is to find the reversal signs. Okay, that is the whole purpose here. For that, you are going to have this engulfing pattern, hammer, pin bar, whatever it is. Okay, so these are the three types we are going to find in the chart, and then we are going to pick a trade. Now I'm going to show you how to find a bullish stock. So this is a charting. I'll share this with you guys so that we can use it. This is what it basically is. I'm trying to find a golden crossover. What is golden crossover? There are different types of not different types. There are different EMA are there, starting from small to large, small time frame to larger time frame, which is 5 days, 6 days, 9 days, 14 days, 20 days. You can have anything. Okay, here we have picked is 14 days, 26 days, 50 days, and 100 days. So these are the moving averages we have found. So the pattern, the main concept here is all this EMA has to be crossing over and one below other. 5 has to be, the smaller has to be at the top, and all the EMA has to be follow the next. So there should not be any kind of a switch. It has to be properly small to large. As I mentioned here, first is 14-day moving average, then 26, then 50 and 100. So this is the sequence you need to find. So this, what this scan does is, this will scan through the stocks and find out which stocks are having that kind of a crossovers. So this is called a golden crossover. Let's run, and these are the stocks you have. Let's pick one and we'll go and find out all those kind of patterns are there or not. Let's pick Bandhan Bank first. Let's pick Bandhan Bank. Let me clean all my drawings here. Already I have marked and I'm following up. Okay. So this is the stock picked from the golden crossover. If you want to show, so this is, I have shown only 50 EMA, but what you can do is you can go for a EMA called multi EMA. Okay, multi EMA. In one EMA you can have multiple. So I already have 15, 5, 3, 26, 50, 100. So I have this kind of a time frame. Okay, if you go and see, zoom and see. So green is the first one. So green is, I'll show 5 EMA. First is green, then blue, red, yellow, white. So this is the golden crossover for me. Okay, if you see, it is still not having, but the screen or the charting gave a hint that there is a chance that this can have a crossover. For that, what you need to do, go to 1 hour chart. See, the 1 hour chart, you can find that pattern. So if it is not showing in the daily, just check whether it is, because daily when this kind of a formation happens, that means it's already in taken bullish swing. So it's not a right idea after it has made a movement. So you have to go to the 1 hour view and check whether it is in that particular area. See, if you see, this is the smallest EMA, okay, which is 5 days EMA, and the red candle you can see. Now what happens is, this red candle the next day will try to test the first 5 EMA. So your entry has to be first at this level, not immediately going across. Check whether this candle is going to touch this one. When it touches the next day, you enter. Or still you can wait and find another, whether it is going above this candle so that you can enter. That is also is possible. Or my point here is, you can enter here and you can have a stop loss here. That is also is possible. So that within a small span, if it hits the stop loss, then there are chances that it may hit. So you should not have very close to this one. Okay, this is one way of doing it. But let's see whether it is the right way of doing. Okay, let's get into the detail mode. Let's go to again daily view. Before getting into the entry exit, I want to show you whether it's a reversal or not. Okay, check out this candle. What is this candle? When you merge this one, what will happen? When you merge this two candle, you will have like this and till here, and you will have, I'm not sure why it is not happening. Okay. So this candle right now, what will happen is, okay, so till here it will be red. Okay, till here it will be red, but the thing is, it will be, okay, this will be till here, your wick. So it will form normally. What will happen is, it is making a hammer. Okay, this is basically making a hammer here. So this two can, if you merge all those things, it is still a hammer here. Hammer at the bottom is good sign. So likewise, let's see anywhere. So this is an engulfing pattern. See this one. This is an engulfing pattern. The next day it went up. Okay, but still it came down. That is another scenario. But in a 1 day scenario, or if you are going to do options trading or something, you can go drill down and find out in a 1 hour way. Okay, in a 1 hour, if you see, is there any trend? All are downwards. If you see, all the EMAs are going spread like this. Find a spread like here. See, if I entered here, this pattern. Okay, if I entered here or here, not here. Sorry, this is the golden crossover. In the golden crossover, if I go long above this one, I can take a 1:2. Yeah, so I would have got a very good profit from this one. So find the pattern at the bottom for the reversal. But if you are going for a equity based trading, you can buy and still same thing. You can book a profit here. Almost how much you will be getting here? See, you are getting 3.87% within 2 days, 3 days. You get a 3%, which is a very good trade, right? Similarly, if you see here, it has made a hammer pattern, right? This is the big candle. Okay, it took over this particular big candle. You could have taken a, okay, check it is a crossover. There is no crossover. Where is the crossover? Now only there is a crossover happening. So this is your thing. But whenever a gap happens, so we need to be very cautious. Just avoid the gap based entry. Don't try to enter in the gap, because this gap might be retested. This may come till here. Okay, so for Bandhan Bank, it is currently in momentum, so you can focus and you can wait for the trade, because there's a chance that it may come down till here and then go, or it may continue from here. Okay, but the crossover is not happened, so it may again consolidate to make that crossover, and then it spreads like this. But another thing is, just see only the 50 moving average. Okay, I'll just disable all those things. I'm going to show only 50 moving average. See, it is exactly sitting on the 50 moving average. This is a powerful setup. You can enter here and you can stop loss be this way. That is also is a setup for a bullish reversal, because it is sitting exactly on the 50 EMA. But the problem is, it is in the flat. The 50 EMA is flat. If your 50 EMA is slanting, then you can blindly take a bet. Let me show in a Nifty. because Nifty will get a lot of patterns like this. Let's check the Nifty. Okay, if you see the Nifty, it is still below 50 EMA, so there is no sign for a long yet. Okay, but if you see in a 5-minute candle, you'll get very good trades in 5-minute candle. See this, so it is sitting above 50 EMA. Now you can enter here. If you are doing options trading, this is your long position. You enter here, this is your stop loss, the below the candle, and go for 1:2. So Monday, I'm recording this in the previous week, so you might be seeing after this week only. So just check whether this happened or not next week. I didn't check the market yet. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting to happen on Monday. Let's see whether it happens or not. So this is how, this is what you have to predict trend reversal signs. Let's check another stock. Let's take Exide Industries. Let's first go for a 1-day view. In 1 day, how it is? Let me clear all this thing. In 1 day, it is above 50 EMA, and it is downward, and it's slightly is going up. Let me open the multi-EMA. I'll remove this one. This is a multi-EMA. Is that a golden crossover is there? Yes. You can see that's a golden crossover. It's a pakka golden crossover is there. But 50 EMA has to be here. Still that red is not crossed. Little bit is there. Okay. Not completely its momentum has started, but reversal you can see. How that reversal you need to check. I told you about the candle patterns, right? So this is a bullish. If you merge all this candle, if you go to weekly, see this is an engulfing pattern. Okay. Now go to 1 hour. See 1 hour everything is crossover is done. It's a proper golden crossover. Where is the reversal happen? See, if you see this red candle, a breakout happened at the red candle. If you merge all this candle, see this is a hammer over here. Already there's a hammer. So at the bottom you got a hammer and you got a crossover here. Now you can enter. Already it tested this hammer, this particular candle. Okay, this is a 1 hour candle, so already it is captured. So it is a good sign that let's go for a support and resistance. I have discussed about the support and resistance earlier also. If you don't watch that video, please go and watch. Just look at the trend lines here. It is a breakout. Okay, so now the next what will happen is this will try to break this red candle. This will be the next resistance for this one. So what will happen is we'll go test this area, and then again there will be a retracement. For that, use the Fibonacci tool. Okay, that's if you go to this one, Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I'm just guessing right now it will touch this area. So from here, from the low, if you connect this high, so what will happen is this green candle will go till here, or the momentum will go here, and this will test and will come to this 23.6% level. First, it will test this one. Okay, I'll show the same thing with the back testing one. Why I'm saying is, okay, if I draw the similar thing from here, okay, I'm drawing, see, so it broke the 23%, 38% and 50%. So this is a 50% retracement. This is a very good retracement. So when big momentum happens, you can expect this kind of a retracement. But when within this, okay, you can again draw Fibonacci from this low to till here, and you can expect a 50%, like it may go here and touches and come till 50% or 61% also is possible. It will come till here. There will be a retracement. That's why patience is very important. Okay, it may touch and come. Each level is a support. Okay, each level will be support when it comes down. So follow that support and trade based on that. When the support, whenever a candle, red candle breaks this and it closes in this one, then that means it will test the next support level, which is this level. And again it will close. If you see any candle is closing this next one. So this is a weekly one. Let's go to a daily. Yeah. So each level you have to watch whether it is going to have a candle within this one. If there is a similar kind of bullish candle happen at this level, again there will be a reversal. So that is how you can use the Fibonacci to find the retracement level and the reversal pattern. Okay, hope you are getting it what I'm saying. Little bit tricky. I'm trying to cover a complex subject in this video. See, if I draw this one, this low to this high, it has touched the 50%. So it is a good sign. I'm saying, okay, this is a good reversal. So what will happen is first target is this one, and this will act as a very good support now. Okay, this will be the trend line for you. What will happen is it goes and touch and may come to this level again. Okay, or it may go like this, keep on going like this. Okay, it may go like this also. It may not be like a parabolic high, but it may go like this also. So, but Exide Industry is showing a good momentum, so you can look into that. Let's see what happens in the next week. Okay, when you will be watching this video after the incident has happened. Okay, So let me go through few more scenarios to find out the patterns we discussed. So this is the Nifty. So Nifty, you see Nifty is touching the 50-day moving average, but it's below the 15-day moving average. Okay, it is still below the 15 moving average. When a candle goes and form a candle above this 50 moving average, then you can expect a little bit of momentum over here. But if you see this is a hammer. If this candle is broken, it's going to be a fall. Okay, you can make sure of that. So this is a very crucial condition in the Nifty. It has to break this level and a candle has to be placed above the 50 moving average to continue the momentum. Okay, based on our discussion, let's see when the downtrend happen. Let's see any downtrend in our market. Okay, so let's see, this is the downtrend. Okay, this is the downtrend happen and you see that's an engulfing pattern. But the problem is there is no golden ratio. There is no crossovers. All patterns are below. So you have to wait whether this reversal continues. Is it continuing? No. It fell down. Keep checking that way. It's going down. Okay. Where the golden crossover happened. Here is what it happened. Almost here. Okay. But at least all the EMAs are gone down up and see the candle closed above 50 moving day average, which is the yellow color one. Okay. When a strong candle is above the 50 moving average, you see is there anywhere you find a candle above the 50 moving average? No. So that clearly shows. So this is already a 5 moving average are above the thing. So it is already lower moving averages are having a priority first and then 50. So that way, when everything, all the crossovers are happened, see this area. This is all the crossovers happened, this candle. Okay. And it gave a very good run. Instead of one day, what you can do is you can check 2 hours or 4 hours candle. If we check 4 hours candle, okay, you can catch the thing very early. See this one, this candle. All are one above other. So this candle is your bullish candle. Here, not here. Okay, here. You have to check, see there is a hammer over here. There is a hammer, bullish candle over here. And similarly to find the downtrend, okay, let's see when the downtrend happens. See this one. This is called evening star. When you merge this one, it will be like a inverted hammer. So this is a bearish sign. Okay, this is an engulfing pattern. It's again a bearish indicator, but it has broken. It didn't sustained. Okay, see there's a hammer over here. It came down. See, after this candle, you need to have a follow-up candle. You need to make another candle. There is no follow-up at all. Okay, it didn't break the red candle. See, this is a bullish big candle, and see this is a follow-up candle. This is breaking this one. It went up. So this is your stop loss. This will be your support zone. This is your support zone now. See, it went. If you have marked this as a stop loss, see this one. So always mark the powerful candle which we are considering for the reversal. That your stop loss candle. So if you see, this is your main candle. You are entering here, and this is your stop loss. See, it is 4 times it went. Okay, you can trial your stop loss. After finding the reversal, you can always see this is a powerful candle. This crossover, see till the small crossover crosses the next level, you can just continue. See 5 EMA, 14 EMA, all those things are one below other, right? There is no crossover. See, when the crossover, the 5 EMA crosses or 9 EMA crosses the 14 EMA, okay, then you can exit. So this is a daily view. You can buy the future and you can go long in this way. Hope you got the idea. So today we discussed very small thing, which is or like a basic thing, but it's a very powerful price action. Try to use only this price action for now. For another 1 or 2 weeks, I'll cover other price actions, other patterns and other things. But right now, focus only on this and try to find a trade and post in your comment whether you are able to achieve any profit from the trade. You can use 3 minutes, you can use 5 minutes. If you are going to do an intraday, you can do it in 5 minutes or 3 minutes. And also I have shown a video about the divergence. Please look at the video also to find out the entry has to be perfect, means you need to know the divergence principle also. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe this channel. Don't forget to press the notification icon and share it with your friends and families. Thank you.